Depression is something many people go through, yet it often feels like you're completely alone in it. It's more than just sadness. It can drain your energy, cloud your thoughts, and make even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. But the good news is, there are natural ways to start healing, step by step. First, let's talk about your body. Your mind and body are deeply connected. One of the most powerful natural tools against depression is movement. You don't need an intense workout. Even a 20-minute walk outside can make a difference. When you move your body, it releases chemicals that help improve your mood and reduce stress. Sunlight also plays a key role. Just a little time outdoors can boost your vitamin levels and help reset your internal clock. Next is your sleep. Depression often disrupts sleep, and poor sleep makes depression worse. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Avoid screens before bedtime and create a calm, quiet environment. Good sleep won't fix everything overnight, but it builds a strong foundation for recovery. Another important piece is nutrition. What you eat affects how you feel. Try to include whole foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and proteins. Drinking enough water is also important. Small changes in your diet can support your brain and help stabilize your mood over time. Now let's talk about your thoughts. When you're depressed, your mind can become your biggest critic. You may find yourself stuck in negative thinking patterns. This is where mindfulness can help. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and observe your thoughts without judging them. You don't have to control every thought. Just notice them and let them pass. Connection is another powerful healer. Depression often makes you want to isolate yourself, but reaching out, even in a small way, can make a big difference. Talk to a friend, a family member, or someone you trust. You don't have to explain everything. Just not being alone in your feelings can bring relief. Also, give yourself small goals. When everything feels heavy, big tasks can seem impossible. So start small. Make your bed, take a shower, step outside. Each small win builds momentum and slowly restores a sense of control. And finally, be patient with yourself. Healing is not a straight line. Some days will be better than others, and that's okay. You are not weak for feeling this way, and you are not broken. You are human, and you are healing, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. If your depression feels overwhelming or doesn't improve, it's important to seek help from a professional. Natural methods can support you, but you don't have to go through this alone. Remember, even the darkest night eventually gives way to light, and so will you.